A 43-year-old male displayed open epiphysis of the arm in an X-ray taken after a fall. The man had always been short for his age. During childhood, he once consulted a pediatrician because of short stature, but thereafter he never sought medical attention. At the age of 18 years, he was not allowed to join the army because of his height of 147 centimeter. He continued to grow steadily and finally reached 193 centimeter. He had no complaints and considered himself reasonably fit. Physical examination showed a disproportionate man with a body mass index of 29.3 kilograms per meter square and the Tanner stage P1G1. Laboratory investigation showed hormonal level consistent with multiple pituitary deficiency, with dynamic tests consistent with hypothalamic or pituitary stalk disease. Magnetic resonance scanning of the brain showed a small anterior pituitary remnant, no pituitary stalk, and an ectopic neurohypophysis. Now, how will you confirm the diagnosis? What treatment options you will choose for the patient? And will you refer the patient to an endocrinologist? To know the answer of these questions, let's study hypopituitarism in detail on sqadia.com.